So today we are going to perform exercise number 12 of PEC, that is radiation pattern of Yagi antenna. In this practical we have to see the radiation pattern of Yagi antenna. So Yagi antenna, it is a unidirectional antenna where it radiates maximum in one direction, and in the other direction there is minimum radiation. It is there will be a maximum radiation in one side of the direction of antenna, and another direction there will be a less or minimum radiation. It is mainly used in TV reception. So here we have to take the readings on the basis of how much energy antenna is radiating in terms of current for different direction. So as we see in the observation table, there are two columns in observation table. As we rotate the antenna in different angles like 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree angles, the what amount of energy we have received we have to note down here. Okay, so for different types of angle, how much amount of energy we'll receive, we'll observe here. So here we are having a receiving antenna. From that we are going to receive the amount of energy from a particular antenna, and this is a Yagi antenna. So this is the main dipole, a main element which is known as folded dipole or dipole antenna. In the front side we have three elements of the dipole antenna, and these are known as directors. At the back side of the folded antenna we have one reflector. So we are going to see how much amount of current it is going to radiate. So here so it is called reflector. So we are going to see how much amount of current it is going to radiate, where we are going to applying current to this antenna. So this is a current source from where we are providing current to the particular antenna. We are giving the current from this generator block, and we are applying this current to this current to this antenna at different directions. So this is the receiving antenna, and this is the meter. So in this meter we are going to see amount of current received by the antenna. Okay, now let's see the practical. So initially it is at 0 degree. For 0 degree we are receiving 103 or 4.4 microampere current. Now if we rotate the antenna from 0 degree to 30 degree, so I will take the random reading here. Now it is in 30, is it at 30 degree? So for 30 degree we are receiving here around 52 microampere. As you can see, the current reduces, the current value reduces. Now we'll go check for 60 degree. For 60 degree we'll see how much amount of current we will receive. So here we are receiving 2.4 microampere. So the current goes on reducing as we move from the 0 degree. Now we'll check for 90 degree. For 90 degree we are receiving 0.04 microampere. So as we keep on increasing the angle, your current value decreases. So here what you have to do, the current reduction continues as I change the angle of rotation. So as for now at 0 degree we will get the maximum current, and as I move from the 0 degree the current value decreases. Okay, so this is the observation table. So here, so what we have observed, Yagi antenna gives maximum radiation in only one direction, and here we have to convert this current reading into decibel. So here for this what we have to do, we have to observe the maximum current which we have received here. So from this column what we have to do, what is the maximum current which we have received in the column, in that column we have to take that number. So here the maximum current which we have received is, and we have to plot the graph over here. Depending on what the graph should be plotted on the basis of decibel. So for that, so you have to check what is the maximum amount of current which we have received here. So you can see at 0 degree we have received to 66 degree or 66 microampere of current, which is the maximum current we have received. And the formula for converting this current into dV, the formula is 10 log of I upon I max. That means what? Here I max value is 66, which is the maximum current, and I value is the value which you have actually received for that angle. So you have to take the division, and we have to then find out the logarithmic value. Now I'll show you one example here how to calculate this. So I'll take the first for 0 degree. For 0 degree I have received 66. So I max upon I upon, this is the I upon I max means maximum current is also 66. We have received 1. Then we have to find out 10 log of 1. What is 10 log of 1? We have received. So 10 log of 1 is 10 log of 1 we are getting 0. So we are getting 0. Likewise, if I take the second number, let's take second one. For 30 degree I have received 13. So first calculate 13 upon, so what you have to do here, 13 divided by 66. 10 log of 13, that is I value is 13, and divided by 66. 66 is the I max value, and the value which we have received here equal to somewhat minus 1.05. So this is how you have to calculate the decibel. In terms of dV, we have to calculate the current. I hope you have understood the practical, and after converting this into dV, you have to plot this graph. I hope you have understood the practical. Thank you.